Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. We're doing these Q&As right after another, just getting them through. Weather's too hot, I can still do stuff for the channel regardless. So let's get to those Q&As. Okay, first question from Natural Oil Wonders, referring to the video, an older video, Anise Hyssop and Summer Savory Herbs. The question is, do you know if star anise, you know, the little anise that you could put into your tea or into your rice or what have you, is the same as hyssop, referring to Anise Hyssop? Let me swipe up a comment off the screen. No, they are not. There's a lot of plants that have the characteristic of anise. Star of anise is a kind of a shrub. I'm trying to remember. I have actually seen the plant before. What I saw was a shrub, not too tall, but it had almost like Suriname cherries. They were green, almost like green Suriname cherries at the tips, and then they would dry up and there would be husks, and in the middle would be the seed that would be very potent anise tasting, licorice tasting. That's black licorice, by the way. But no, they're not the same plant. Okay, next comment comes from Jeanette Davis, referring to the video Urban Garden Tour after first 100-degree day. The comment was, spring is over, summer is here. I would have to probably agree with that. It's getting pretty hot. But when I would garden in the morning, like let's say this morning, and at night, it's really cool. There's a lot of cool breeze and there's a lot of air movement. So, because in a few days here, even though it's going to be 98, 99, 101, it's going to be a low of like 60. So that's really good. So summer is 100, and at 10 o'clock at night, it's still 100 or 95. That's summer. That's really where we're at here in Central California. That's between July 15 to August 15. Or almost the whole month of July, where you're going to get 95 plus degrees every single day and warm nights. Okay, next question comes from The Simple Life, Wolf, again, referring to the video Okinawa Spinach. I have 2 starter longevity spinach plants, but have a hard time finding the Okinawa spinach. Thanks for sharing, and you're welcome. Let me swipe up another comment. Okay, the reason why I chose this comment was because to shed some light on how I get all these plants that I've gotten. One, it's a lot of bartering. If I know a family that grows a certain plant, they'd rather take a plant that I have and barter than money. So I'll take one of my prized possession plants, a cutting of it, or I root a cutting out of it, and I take one of their plants in return. Now, with the Okinawa spinach, I got that through Amazon. So not many people know that you can buy live plants through Amazon.com or in the app, whatever you use. But Amazon, try it out. Okay, the next question is going to come from Trap Bistro TV, another fellow YouTuber, referring to the video Guamuchil Anamoya update. Very nice to see your Guamuchil. Never seen those before, or these before, but it's a type of tamarind, question mark. It is a type of tamarind. It's not sour. I've had Guamuchil before. It is pink when ready, not brown and sour. Like, what do you guys call, oh shoot, the sour stuff on candy. I believe it's from tamarind. Chamoy. Is it chamoy? I think so. Anyways, if it isn't, I'll hear it in the comment section. This is the sweet version of that. My wife likes chamoy. I'm not into that so much. The Guamuchil tastes like, one, it tastes better if you heat them up. Just get them warm a bit. It tastes like nougat, texture-wise, mixed with raisin. A nice, good, fresh raisin, grape raisin, with nougat. Yeah, that's about it. That's what it tastes like. Really good. Really plentiful, by the way. And update on the tree, I checked on it. It's growing. It's flushing out new growth. So, I mean, It's been in dormancy for over 7-8 months, and it went through a transplant, so maybe that's why it's like this. Probably next year it'll probably come out of dormancy towards the end of April, beginning May, hopefully. All right, everyone, I think that's good enough for this Q&A. We'll keep going with them. Happy gardening, everyone.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching, everyone.